Real quickie today, this is a GMC 3500. It's a 2011. So like from 2008 and up, a manual window handle removal. There's a little clip on the back. Basically, there's a little shaft that pops on, and there's a little clip that holds a little groove back there. People will tell you that you got to dig in there with a pick and pull it off. This has been the same for many, many, many years. It's pretty simple. Take a rag. There's a little plastic round washer gasket kind of between the winder and the door panel. You want to get between that and the handle. And you take your rag and you put it in between there. That might be a little bit of a pain to get it in there. But again, between the little plastic bushing on the back and the handle itself is where you need to get your cloth. And now that's in between there, and now you simply move it back and forth. It will grab the little clip and pull it off. And when you do it, you'll see the little clip pop off. You just keep rocking it back and forth till it pops. Oh, was that it? No, it was not. Oh, I believe that was it. That was it. See, the rag caught the little clip? I'm going to show you what it looks like. In here, this little clip is simply come on, it's freezing cold out, sorry, so my fingers are kind of numb. Get in there. Oh, there we go. So that little clip sits like that in there, and those little inner parts of the clip hold into the little groove on the shaft. And when you run the rag around, it just grabs the end, one of the little foot ends. They don't stick out very far, but it'll grab it and pop it up. Pretty simple. And then you put it back on. You just put the clip on first. Put it, oh, where did my gasket go? The little plastic gasket. It fell. Anyway, that's how you remove the door. And when you put it back on, you just pop it back on. Thank you.